is my outfit for Hollywood Studios. Yes, it may be a little warm, but this is what I brought for Hollywood Studios, so I'm gonna wear it. And plus, I need some updated pictures in the park, so I think this is a good outfit for Hollywood Studios. This man, he was over here rushing me, and he always does last minute things. And now we're going back because he forgot his magic bands.
Sorry.
Yeah. Where are we going? I get so lost in here. I had to take the jacket off because it's a little too warm right now. That's for later. We are currently walking to the Skyliner to head on over to Hollywood Studios because we have a upcoming Lightning Lane to Star Tours. And hopefully after I scan into that, we can get Mickey and Minnie's Runaway. Exactly.
Check the fit, check the fit.
Wow. It's the same outfit, just different bottoms. It's a little warm than we anticipated. That's fine. It's not summer heat.
Water bottle.
For TikTok. Oh yeah, Instagram too. Got a girl on there. But follow me on Instagram, Magic with Ellie, and then my TikTok is Eliana_R.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Ooh.
With connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
So magical.
It is. Alright guys, so we're on our way to go ride Tower Fair. And then after that we're gonna go ride I don't know if we might ride Tower and Fair.
Who is we? Who is we? I want to know.
We are.
Nope. You are. Our future's very bright. That's gonna be us. Aww. Didn't get stopped.
Thank you so much for choosing Star Tours, and may the force be with you.
2.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it.
Stop right there.
Don't shoot.
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and traitor to the First Order.
That's us!
Okay. Gotta go.
You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Someone could get Lightspeed Auto! No! Auto, I don't like the look of this. Just got worse!
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Then stay close.
Why?
If you want to stay alive, you're going to need some cover. the Resistance need your help. Even you. Head to the coordinates I'm sending you. We must face them and fight them. Now go!
Arthur, we are not going. This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't shake them.
Arthur, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done!
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor. We'll be safe here on Batu. I hope. Yes, Batu. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away! Go away!
Yeah, we were the spies. And that's what I said. I hope we're the spies. And she picked us. So we took a selfie in there. And the moment we took the selfie, that's when they took the picture of us. I insert the selfie right here.
Oh, really?
And yeah, that's when she took the photo. We were taking a selfie. We were like this.
Oh, wow.
I was feeling a down.
Someone's dehydrated.
Yeah, I think so.
Let it go! Let it go!
What was that? Nothing. We just gotta build up to that.
Oh, build up. Okay.
So we're just gonna hang out here at Galaxy's Edge until it's time for our slinky. We got a water because I'm feeling a little dehydrated, but the water's pretty cool.
We got some bum energy electrolytes, fruit punch. 'Cause we gotta stay hydrated.
The time has finally come to go ride Slinky, our favorite ride here in Toy Story Land. Let's go! Do you want to wait 80 minutes?
No.
Carlos is in a mood for a donut.
I am craving a chocolate sprinkle donut.
Well, I see the big donut, so.
I think I see it.
Yeah, or the cronuts.
That I want craving. Ellie doesn't like donuts, so it's all for me.
I do, but I'm not feeling a donut right now. It's literally what, almost 8 p.m.
Donuts are for all day, every day, at all times.
True, but I'm not feeling a donut at all.
Well, I'm not sharing.
Okay, just give me a little bite.
No. Okay, I'll be fine. I'll give you a little bit.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we got here a chocolate sprinkled donut. It looks so good.
Take a bite. Let us know how it is. Good?
That soft texture on the bread.
What about the chocolate and the sprinkles?
That's good too.
This is the Fairy Tale Love Latte. Looks very yummy. It's not Disney if you're not eating and chilling by the trash can.
Yeah. If you know, you know.
For real. That is so good. Here, try it. Oh, so wrong. And I spoke too soon. This is so good.
A donut, I'm always going to rate it a 10. Always. Good for you.
Aw, he gave me the rest of his donut. Find you a man that brings you to Disney and leaves you the rest of his food. Recommend 10 out of 10. Oh, not this one. Another one.
Yeah, not me.
Better find him.
There's still some good out there.
So we're gonna go try Single Rider at Rise before our next Lightning Lane at Toy Story Mania. And then we have a food order to pick up after that. So hopefully the Single Rider doesn't take as long. That way we can get some more things. I don't know what. We're basically just going with the flow.
Yeah.
And
hey, what if we end up riding together? The Single Rider line?
That's happened before once. And what ride was that we rode together? Was it in Disneyland? Or
I think it was Cars. It was at Disneyland.
Yeah, it's been a while, but I mean it can happen.
Yeah.
If you get lucky. But yeah, we've just been going with the flow. I think for us that's like honestly the best method. I don't know. I don't like to get overwhelmed. It is what it is. We can always come again.
That's for sure. That is for sure.
But I don't know, sometimes I get overwhelmed if we have too much planned.
You know, you gotta remember plans don't always go as
That's true. That's what you have
way.
to keep in mind when you're here at Disney. Things don't always go as you want them to. So just keep that in mind if you ever come to Disney. Just go with the flow, honestly, is my best advice. Yes, you're gonna have to plan some things, but not every single thing. Ooh, this light is good. We're still together.
for now.
Yeah, for now. Not for much longer.
We served the first order now.
Goodbye.
When will I see you again?
Never. We're still together.
We are still together. What?
Wait, don't speak.
Don't speak too soon.
Yeah.
Expectations are
Who are you?
I don't know you.
If you were going to listen, you'd be first all the way.
I don't know you.
I don't know you.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
Your side.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
I'm so scared.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Don't move.
Here with resistance, here to get y'all out. Let's go. Blue, red, left side. Take off your bags as a winner. Blue in the front, red in the back. Blue front, red back on the left side.
Hey, stranger.
Hey.
Why not? He's not a bad droid. He's a good droid, okay? I promise. Alright, may the force be with you guys.
2, 1. Blast off.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu.
Huh?
Hurry and don't get caught.
Yeah.
Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts
Oh, yeah.
securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Road droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoners. We have a break in there.
Trouble is blown. Find an alternate route. These two droids anyway.
There they are. Fire!
The escape pod's just below us. Take the lift down. Hurry! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Should we put it into this bag? Wait, he's evil!
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base. And then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Close,
pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
So how did we manage to let that happen?
But I love it. We just got off Bryce and we did the single rider. We got so lucky. We got to sit together, front row. Yeah, we couldn't ask for anything better. That was crazy. We were just talking about that's only happened to us a few times and it happened to us right now.
Yeah. So like when we were getting close to whenever it was our turn,
yeah,
I was trying to act like I didn't know Ellie, so I was like, all right, so they can send us the same way.
That's not true. We just somehow managed to ride together. I don't know how it happened, but it did.
I was like genuinely just trying to act like I didn't know you. You know? But then I was like, oh shit, it worked. So.
You're lying. We were talking the whole time. So they could tell.
But yeah, we just got lucky.
Yeah, we did. And that's what Disney's all about. Stuff like that happens. And it's just, oh my God, magic. Rise was pretty fun. There were some kids on there making jokes, so I think that made Carlos enjoy it more.
I know.
He was laughing the whole time.
I always like some kids joking around.
That was really fun. It made my night better for sure. I was a little down for a while, but feeling better now. Now we're heading over to Woody's Lunchbox to go get our dinner and our little drink.
Yeah.
So I'm excited for that. Oh no. No, actually, we're gonna go. We have a lightning lane for Toy Story Mania, and then we're gonna go pick up our order from Woody's Lunchbox. To get over to Toy Story Mania, and we're just talking about how the queue for Toy Story is the worst.
Horrible.
I loathe it so much. Like I cannot wait in that anymore. I'm gonna have to buy lightning lane or rope drop early because I'm not doing the queue.
I feel like the last time we waited when we came the first time.
Oh my God, I think that ruined it for us.
Yeah, that did it. That sucked. That's why we hate it so much.
But come on, because I gotta go beat Carlos at Toy Story Mania.
Oh yeah, it's on.
It's on, baby. Thank you.
At this point, we are no longer family.
Oh, so it's on.
It's on.
Okay. Let's see about that. I have a good feeling I'm gonna win today. He always wins. So it's because I let him win. That's why.
You do not let me win.
Dang it, you heard that?
You're just mad because I always beat you. Or barely beat you, but winning is winning. You know?
Okay. Oh, I used to have that when I was little. I loved it so much. Allah. Sir, do you want to get banned? No. Okay, you better quit. Perfect. How are those shoes?
You're good. I got the Lululemon
Cityverse.
Cool.
Wow. That's his signature look here at Disney.
Reverse. Let's go. Are you ready to lose?
I'm ready to win.
No.
I came to win.
You did? Okay. We'll see about that. My ride here.
Alrighty, y'all, welcome in. Take a seat from those great line cars all the way down.
My ride here.
Woo!
I can still beat you with one hand.
Hey, howdy, hey! Welcome to our practice game.
Just hold the pen.
Walk those by. I think they've got the hang of it. Way to play, everyone! Now you get to score points! Knock down the animals! If you want to shoot farther, aim higher! Kick that mark out of the head now! Nice!
Dude, you're not beating by much. Hey, you're not winning by much. Alright, it's on.
Small targets are one more!
Let the string go back in after you pull.
One for getting active!
Great control. Extinction warning.
I'm beating you. I'm beating you with one hand.
You're clear to break play! Sir, yes, sir! Proper moving target!
I'm beating you, boss.
That's not your mother! Break those legs! Watch for the flying plate!
Look, I'm still going at it with one hand.
And it's time now! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You've earned your star! Move it!
What? Damn, 32,000? 26,000? Come on, dude. I'm playing with one hand. Come on now. All right, it's on. It's on.
Keep shooting! Keep going! Keep going! Send down the black car! It's your last game! 3, 2, 1.
Come on. Come on. I got the dub. I already know I got the dub.
Are you sure?
I got the dub.
Let's examine their score.
And I played with one hand. I know I did.
Except
Dude! Let's go! Let's go! And I played with one hand. Oh my god, dude. That was so good.
Right here be crazy.
Dude, how?
Look at the months, dude.
How did they even do that?
I don't know.
Wow. But look at this.
But look at my
score.
accuracy.
Okay, it's not even by far, but and I was playing with one hand. Look.
But look at the accuracy.
But by 2 points.
But we got the same prize.
Still, I mean, I still won. And I was playing with one hand, y'all. I still won.
I got you next time.
We'll see about
every
that.
time.
She says that every time, but she never wins.
I gotta get my arm workout in.
You gotta go work some shoulders out.
I do.
That's what gives up right. Your shoulders?
You're like, I don't even.
I think Ellie's a little upset because I beat her.
Yeah.
You forgetting something?
Oh man. I beat you. I beat you.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Might be your lucky one.
Oh, you have some too?
Oh yeah.
Are those trivia or?
Trivia.
You want to do it?
I do one, yeah.
Okay.
Do you prefer Marvel, Disney, or Pixar?
Pixar.
Pixar. Okay. You have to name 3 movies
Yeah.
from Pixar that only have one word in the title.
One what?
One word in the title.
One.
Cars. One word in the
Up.
title.
Up.
It's always the third one I always get stuck on. Cars up. I'm trying to think.
Which one? Cars.
Up.
Encanto.
No, that's not Pixar.
That's not Pixar. What's good? What's one?
I'm trying to think. Wally?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you got?
Can I trade the cars in the Murray?
Yeah.
I finally have a new hidden Mickey.
Is that one?
Yeah, the cars.
You said cars. Nice.
Yeah. It's okay.
And Maria.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, man. Got one? Nice.
Yes, this is one of the new ones. McQueen.
Let's go.
I'm forever keeping him.
And you said cars, dude.
I did, that was the first one. The new hidden Mickeys, finally.
Finally, dude.
This night really got better.
It did, huh?
I was not having the best time earlier.
Well, it's okay, babe.
It happens. It's that Disney tiredness, you know?
The third one that...
Yes!
It's always hard to think of.
Why?
I don't
I
know.
was like, oh my god. I was trying to think of the movies, but my mind went blank. I'm like, Pixar.
Pixar.
So Carl's mind is still blank because he's still trying to come up with other Pixar movies.
With one word.
Yeah, that only have one word. That's true. It
So
wasn't
you said-
Toy Story.
You said Cars, Up, Wally.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Are those it? I can't think of any other. Bug's Life is no.
I can't think of one.
Okay, now I have to know. Cut Out was not one. Elio, Up.
Elio?
Coco.
Coco. Oh my god.
Oh my god. How could we even forget Coco? Brave. Onward.
Dinosaur?
Lightyear. Incredibles.
How
How did we not? Oh my god.
It always happens when, you know, we
always
get challenges like that, so.
Yes, we always get the first two. It's always the third one that stumps us. But
We got
I'm
it.
so happy.
You know, Ellie turned her thinking brain on and she got it.
I did.
So,
I had to do it for the pin.
kudos for her. First trivia.
First trivia, and it was a new hidden Mickey. I've been saying hidden Mickey this whole vlog, but sorry.
She finally got one.
Yeah. Now it's gonna get even worse because I want more.
Woody asked me to welcome all of you to Andy's backyard, but it's so good. I'm just so good at public speaking. Wait. Oh. How was that? Was you welcoming in?
Babe, what you get?
I got the barbecue brisket grilled cheese with some tater tots and a alcoholic beverage.
Yum. Shit. I know I'm not going they turned the lights off. No, it's because they have the projection show. You want me to go buy Coke?
Yeah?
Guess what happened?
What happened?
They just gave it to me for free.
Really?
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
See, tonight was so great.
Thank you, Disney.
Thank you so much. We love you so much. We'll be back every year. Multiple times a year.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
DVC membership coming up.
Nothing beats a crispy Diet Coke, especially when it's free. Dude. That's the second time that's happened to us at Hollywood Studios.
Nice. Who was it? Who was it?
It was these girls. They were cleaning up, and I pulled up, and I was like, "Are y'all still open?" And they were kind of hesitant. They're like, "What do you need?" How rude! We're literally by the speakers. They're huge.
This gala is sure to be the talk of the town. He's every call himself, Mickey Mouse. And there's his sweetheart, Minnie Mouse. Are the two of them just cats, you know? Just don't. Let's take a look inside the theater.
Nothing's more important than family.
Behold the Underminer!
I hate that guy. Period. That was so fun to make. Beneath the light of a neon moon. Come on, because we still have pins to go by. He already knows where we're going. He's already taking the lead because he just knows. Ooh, are you looking for the quarter zip?
Yeah.
Look, everything is here.
Yeah, where's that quarter zip?
No idea. Oh yeah. Oh, pins.
Nope.
Nothing for us here. I love Yzma Kitty, and this mug is super cute. But I don't need another mug.
Oh man. It ain't nothing like Disney tired.
The dogs are barking.
Row. Row.
Boy, are you reenacting how you were at Frozen sing-along?
Yeah.
You really fell asleep. Like, you fell asleep and then you woke up and then
Ladies
you...
and gentlemen,
Rude.
welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Like I was saying, you woke up. No, you fell asleep. You woke up. You went to sleep again.
I did?
Yeah, the second or third time you woke up, you were like so energized and into it.
Yeah.
And then you were knocked out somehow. And then you woke up to the snow.
Why did I feel like I was in there forever? What was it?
The Atlantic
20
Ocean.
minutes?
How long was it that I managed to put 3 naps in?
I don't know.
That's crazy.
It is crazy.
But it was a good show after all. I mean,
They're funny.
yeah, the guy was funny.
Yeah, the guy's funny. Well, next time we're staying at another Skyliner resort. We're going to go to Epcot. We're going to drink around the world, and then we're going to ride the Skyliner to see how we feel.
Last time we tried to drink around the world,
Oh.
I didn't even make it past 4 countries.
Well, yes.
Gonna be just 1 second, okay?
Well, we messed up with that sit-down dinner.
Yeah, I didn't make it too far when we last tried that, so. Ellie did. Ellie made it probably 2 more countries.
Did I really?
Yeah, I think I did 4 countries, and she did 6.
So you're lightweight?
Yeah, a little bit. So.
Oh, I would definitely be lightweight. I could not do it right now, probably. But I would still do it. It's been a long day.
Yeah, it's been a day.
It's been a day, but a fun day. So I'm so tired. I can't even do an outro. Today was a long day, but it was so much fun. We started the morning off at Animal Kingdom and ended the night at Hollywood Studios. Between the transition of Animal Kingdom and Hollywood, I was kind of going through it, but then the night got really better, so I'm happy about that. It was a fun night at Hollywood Studios. Pretty hot today. Even though it was like low temperatures, it was still hot. And tomorrow, it's supposed to be hotter, so I'm low-key rethinking my outfit because it was hot.
It was a little hot.
I thought it was going to be cooler, but no, it's still pretty hot here.
Yeah.
So I'm rethinking my outfit for tomorrow because tomorrow is our Magic Kingdom day.
Yeah.
We love Magic Kingdom. It's so fun.
We have to save the best for last. So.
We really do. So I'm looking forward to that. It's full day Magic Kingdom vlog coming your way. It's gonna end our Animal Kingdom Hollywood Studios vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe.
And give it a thumbs up.
And make sure you push that bell notification. That way you don't miss any of our Disney adventures. We'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.